Tell me more about the Sanofi partnership. That's obviously massive, and the fact that they came back for more means you've done a good job, right?
The origin of this is actually quite interesting. It starts from the fact that we are interested in building these complex biological molecules, and we use a range of different, molecular parts to do that. But one of the most useful molecular parts that we use is something called the nanobody, or the VHH. This is the llamas or the camelid family of animals' answer to the antibody. They're these kind of tiny modular binding units. And very early on in the company's history, we decided, look, these look like very promising binding units to use as a basis of these complex multispecifics. Now, Sanofi did something incredibly smart several years back, and that was the acquisition of Ablings. Ablings was the company that really pioneered the discovery and the commercialization of the nanobody antibody binding agent, and we're privileged that Edwin Moses, who's our chairman, was the CEO of Ablings. So we wanted to partner with the company that was the world's leader in VHH engineering. And that is Sanofi as a consequence of their acquisition of Ablings. And what we've done together is we've taken their really deep understanding of the field and combined that with the approach that we can take where we run these very high throughput experiments, combine that with machine learning, optimize across multiple properties, and together as a collaboration, apply that within the area of inflammation. We did that very successfully in a first partnership. And on the basis of that success, I was really pleased that we were able to initiate this second partnership, which is really an expansion of that. So it enables us to continue to work with the Sanofi team on these very challenging problems in the area of inflammation and bring the very best that the high throughput experimentation and the machine learning aspects of LabGenius platform can bring to bear against that problem in partnership with them.